Glutamine is a conditionally essential amino acid. It is abundant within the body and most protein-rich foods. It's an important amino acid intermediate to several processes, thus it's high in demand and resides everywhere in the body. It's the predominant amino acid in skeletal muscle and is used by the kidneys, digestive system, and immune system as fuel to maintain proper health. In catabolic states, amino acids are released from muscle tissue. Alanine and glutamine compose of 50 to 70% of the amino acid nitrogen released. During stress, glutamine provides a vital fuel source for several organs, energy for rapidly dividing cells in the immune system, and participates in acid-base homeostasis in the kidneys. Rapidly dividing cells consume glutamine as a preferential fuel source during stress and for its essential role in nucleic acid synthesis for DNA. In skeletal muscle, glutamine is crucial for protein synthesis and is depleted during heavy exercise. It's been shown that glutamine supplementation can boost muscular growth and reduce catabolism, especially in those undergoing calorie-restricted diets. Furthermore, glutamine supplementation has been shown to increase muscle cell volume and increase growth hormone release.